So I can honestly say that shampooing has easily become one of my absolute favorite steps when it comes to my wash and go routine, hands down. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Now, as you guys can see from the title, today we're gonna be talking all things shampoo. And as you guys heard me say in the intro, shampooing has become one of my absolute favorite steps when it comes to my wash and go routine. I used to actually dread shampooing. The whole process when it came to deciding what shampoo would be best for me, knowing that you shouldn't be shampooing anything but your scalp, like I just felt there were so many restrictions in my hair when it came to shampooing. At least I thought there were. So now I have like this newfound love for shampoo, and I've been having so much fun like discovering different shampoos and what I like best and what I don't like and all of that. So today I decided to put together my absolute favorite shampoos at the moment. This tends to change because, as you guys know, I try a ton of products all the time. So I either add, take away, add some more, all of that. So the list is kind of long, but you guys ask me all the time to update my favorites. You guys always want to know what my favorite products are. So I'm happy to share them with you guys. This is the beginning of my favorites week. So today we're starting off with the shampoos. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, keep on watching. Okay, so I feel like I'd be wrong if I didn't start with this one. You guys already know what my favorite shampoo is. I talk about it all the time, and at this point, Trader Joe's better cut me a check because I talk about it all the time. I talk about all their hair products, probably more than they talk about their own hair products. But first shampoo on the roster is definitely the Trader Joe's Tree Tingle. When I tell you guys that shampoo is absolutely amazing, it is probably the best in the game right now because of many features, right? Not only is it a very clean shampoo, but it's also like $2.99, $3.99, and it comes with 12, 14 ounces, something like that. I don't actually have the bottle on me. It's in my bathroom, and I could go grab it, but you guys already know what it looks like, so I will definitely add a picture so you guys can see it here because I know you guys like to have a visual. But you guys can just refer to my other videos. I've literally talked about this shampoo so many times. Some of the reasons why I love it is because, first of all, the price, the ingredients, and it has a minty feel. So it has that peppermint eucalyptus-y feel on the scalp, but it's not too overbearing, but it's super fresh. So I love all things peppermint. Anything that has like a minty feel and a minty like after feel, that is for me. You could sell me anything that has minty in it. Like if it has eucalyptus, peppermint, I've said this, like rosemary, I've said this so many times, like you could sell me anything that has like that minty feel. When it comes to that Tea Tree Tingle, if you ever see it at your Trader Joe's, definitely buy more than one. Definitely buy more than one. Like I'm telling you, don't walk, run and grab all of them because not only are they super affordable, they're just so good. And the next shampoo I'm gonna mention, I also don't have it on me, but you guys have seen me talk about it in multiple videos. It's the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. This is another one, you guys already know why I love it. It has peppermint and tea tree in it, so again, it's very stimulating on the scalp. I find that it leaves such a, like, it just gives you such a squeaky clean feel, and I think that's so important when it comes to shampooing. I don't like when my hair feels like super conditioned. Like I don't like to feel like I washed my hair with a conditioner. I like to feel like when I touch my hair, it feels clean. And when I feel my scalp, it just feels nice and clean. And this is one of those shampoos that a little goes a long way, first of all. And second, it has that after feel that makes you feel super fresh and your hair will look super, super duper clean. You don't have to go, like you don't have to wash your hair more than once. Typically with one wash, you're good. And you guys know I use like super heavy gels. So again, with the Tea Tree Tingle and with the Peppermint Tea Tree from Eden Body Works, those are one and dones. Like you don't have to do a second wash, but if you want to, you definitely could. I do 2 washes sometimes if I feel it's necessary, because you guys know that just the gel in itself, just like rinsing that out of your hair is a process sometimes. So then just like rinsing, when I rinse that out, I go in with either one of the shampoos and I feel like they do a perfect job at cleansing. So that's my rec number 2. These are in no particular order, by the way. I probably should have started like that in the video, but you guys know my videos lately have just been all over the place because I'm all over the place. So we're just gonna go with it because I just feel like my personality has been just showing out in these YouTube videos more than ever lately. I'm letting it rock because this is who I am and this is how my brain works all day. Like I'm thinking, right now I'm filming a video, but I'm thinking about like 30 different things at a time. I feel like we're all like this, but I'm just like a YouTubing squirrel. Like my squirrel mind is like all over the place. Anyways, next product I'm going to talk about, next shampoo, is the Myell Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is another shampoo that leaves your scalp feeling super stimulated and your hair feels super clean upon one wash. This does have more of like a moisture feel to it when you are shampooing, but it doesn't feel like you have, like, it's not like a conditioner feel. It just feels very moisturized. Your hair looks very shiny upon rinsing. This entire collection from Myell has to be my absolute favorite from the Myell Organics collections. Like the Rosemary Mint, the leave-in cream, you guys already seen me do that video. That is probably one of the best leave-ins. You guys will see a video on that very soon too for my favorite leave-ins, but that's a really bomb product. I love their mask. This is just like the collection that I can honestly say that I could brag about. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. What I also love is that this product is actually infused with biotin as well. Rosemary and biotin are two powerhouses when it comes to hair growth. Very stimulating on the scalp, the rosemary, and biotin, obviously you guys know, is good for your hair, skin, and nails. So helps with hair growth and it helps fortify your hair as well. So if you guys have thought about trying any products from the Myell Organics line, definitely recommend the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Collection. It's pretty good. And another shampoo that I adore is the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. This one right here caught me by surprise because when I got it in PR, I remember thinking, gentle clarifying. I don't know how I feel about something being gentle. Like, I want you to clarify my hair. I'm not trying to have nothing. No, I want it to like intensely clean my hair. Because you guys know we use some thick products, so I don't want something to just be gentle. I want it to just cleanse. I don't know why it says gentle on there because this does an amazing job at cleansing your hair. It is very deceiving, and I think that the gentle part should be removed because it's not harsh on your hair at all, but it does clarify really, really nicely. It leaves your hair super shiny, and love the tip on this because you can actually apply it directly to your scalp exactly where you want to apply it. So I love that feature, and it does contain amazing ingredients. For example, it also contains rosemary leaf extract, lavender oil, it contains pomegranate and pumpkin enzymes, so she's a good one. Also cruelty-free, sulfate-free, super clean. Love me some Bounce Curl. This is a really, really good shampoo. So if you thought about trying Bounce Curl, definitely recommend the shampoo. It's a good one. And another shampoo that I'm gonna mention is the Twist by Ouidad, their Hit Reset shampoo. Now you guys saw I did a whole video on the Twist by Ouidad collection. I've had my thoughts. You guys know I had my thoughts on some of their products, but the shampoo was one of the ones that I definitely really, really liked. So I've been using it ever since. I try to pop it into my routine from time to time because, you know, my hair doesn't like change often, so if I do try and use a product, I like to stick to it for a bit. So when I did review the collection, I did stick to this shampoo for a few weeks and I really did like it. I said I was actually gonna add it to my new favorites video because I do like the way this cleanses my hair. This is a very light clarifying shampoo. It doesn't leave your hair feeling dry or brittle. I like the way my curls looked actually upon rinsing, so if you wanna refer to that video, check it out as well. I did do a whole review on some of the products that were recommended to me by the actual website. So go ahead and check it out if you guys are curious on my thoughts. But definitely the shampoo is something I would re-pick up 100%. And another one of my favorites is the Inner Sense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. I love, love, love this shampoo. If you guys have thought about trying Inner Sense, one of the products that I definitely recommend is the shampoo. It is so nourishing on your hair. It is very lightweight, but it's very hydrating at the same time, but it also cleanses. And on top of all that, it's a very, very clean product. Overall, Inner Sense is a very clean line, so if you guys want a collection that's super clean, so if you guys are looking for a brand that's very clean and their ingredients are ethically sourced, Inner Sense is definitely one of those brands that you can definitely trust. I have used a good chunk of their products and I really, really like them. I have a video of a recent wash and go that I did using their products, so go check them out. What I have found about their other products is that it works best with soaking, like sopping wet hair, because I used Inner Sense in the past and I didn't feel like I had that hold I was looking for. But if you actually style your hair with their products with soaking wet hair, it's game changer. And another one of my faves is the Curlsmith Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Now, this is a part of a 3-step system. The first step is essentially a primer that's supposed to help you just prep your hair for the second product, and it's this one. And I really like the way this makes my scalp feel, makes my hair feel super clean. I personally really, really love it. Oh, the third step is a conditioner. It's the conditioner. So this is the second step. You would rinse this out and then follow up with the conditioner. So I love this. It does give like a nice exfoliating feel on the scalp. So I like to use it with the prebiotic and then follow up with this one. Super good, super clean, and it's supposed to help stimulate hair growth as well. It's also supposed to help balance the pH of your scalp. If you guys have thought about trying Curlsmith, I have a ton of videos reviewing their products. You guys can check those out and kind of pick and choose what you think would work best. This is not the only shampoo that I love, but if I had to choose, I don't want to make this whole video about Curlsmith shampoos, but I love this one, and I also like the color one, the one that's for colored hair. Even though my hair is not colored, I really do like the way it makes my hair feel. It's very cleansing and very nourishing on the scalp and hair as well, so check them out. I love me some Curlsmith, so check them out. So that concludes my favorites for today. I am gonna be, again, doing my favorites all week, but today is just the shampoos. If you guys have any particular questions on one you might want me to try, or if you have any questions and you're wondering if I tried a particular shampoo as well, go ahead and comment them down below. Also share with me your favorite shampoos. Oh, did I forget some? No, I think I'm good. You guys referred to my other favorites, like none of them have become my unfavorites, so just keep compiling my favorites. You guys will see some repeated shampoos, but if you refer to other favorites, you guys will know, like, I haven't changed my mind about them either. I just didn't want to make this video like 30 minutes long, because lately my videos have been super chatty and super long. So I wanted to just like make it short and sweet and just give you guys some of my absolute faves as of lately. So if you guys have any questions, again, feel free to comment them down below. Yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.